supermodel thing. Busting out the bottom. I'ma lose my mind in it. Crazy that medulla oblongata.
Alright, so first I just take this little hair tie and I section off my hair into 2 sections. I have very thin hair, so I only need to do 2 separate sections when curling my hair. Now after I just tied my hair up in a little bun, I section it down the center like that and I pull it to the sides, and then I go through and I will take pieces about this size. And I will take the curling iron, and I do use the clamp because I find it works better with my hair. My hair doesn't hold curl very well, so I find it helps the curls last a little bit longer. Now I will put that in and twist it around, and I leave about, I'd say about 1 inch out. And then I let go. And you will just get that tiny little beach wave bouncy curl. Now I hold the curls on the curling iron for about 7 to 10 seconds, just depending on the size of the piece that I grab. I will start switching directions just so it gives my hair just a little bit of texture. Now we're just going to continue that around the rest of the layer. Now I'm just going to take that top layer down. Jesus Christ. Now I'm going to split that down the center and bring it to the front. And I leave the curls that I've already done in the back. Brush that. And I did forget to mention, before I curl my hair, I always wash my hair and blow dry it dry. I find my hair just curls better after I've blow dry it. Yeah, we'll go with that. Now I'm just gonna start working my way from the back to the front, starting with this side. Doing the same thing, I'm taking pieces about that big, and then I'm just gonna alternate which way I curl until I get to the very front.
That's my dog show. That's my dog. That's my dog show. That's my dog.
So on the top layer, I do like to do this top part very close to the root, so when I go to brush it out afterwards, it's a nice wave all the way through. I will split this front part in half, and I will always curl away from my face when I'm at the very front. this is what it should look like before we brush it out after we're all done. So I just throw that back, and now we will move on to the next side. Again, we'll be going from the back to the front, just like we did on this side. Now, once I'm to this front section, I'm gonna do just like I did this side, always curl away from the face and just do it in sections. Now on this front section, I am curling it, and then I'm taking the one top little curl off and then working my way down. So I'm going to section this off just like that, taking it away from my face. I'm gonna curl it just like that. I'm gonna take that top curl off and then drop. Now, looks kind of weird, so we're gonna let that cool off for just a second. I like to scrunch it up a little bit, get it a little messy. But I do like to let it cool before I brush through them. Now, while they're cooling, I will go back through and curl any pieces that I may have missed or I feel need just a little bit more. Now, after it's all cooled down, I just run my fingers all through my hair, and then I may use my brush to brush it out some more. Now I'll go in with my 1X50 hairspray, and I will just spritz that all around because if I don't, my hair is so thin it will not hold curl without it. And I like to just scrunch that up because I like it to be a more messy, wavy look. Alright guys, this is the finished look for my simple, beach wavy, messy, curly hair. And this is how I do my hair whenever I curl it. I don't really like tight curls. I like the messy, just got off the beach kind of look, but still put together, you know? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up below and subscribe for more. See you guys next time.
Yeah, you supermodel, then busting out the bottom. I'ma lose my mind in it. Crazy, I'ma do the obligado. Get the rubbing on my lap, get the chini at the bottom. Get up.